This is grade 5, module 4, lesson 33. This is the last lesson in this module. And the objective is to create story context for numerical expressions and tape diagrams and solve word problems. So we're going to look at question number 1 from the homework. And it is 2 parts. There's part A and part B. Number 1 says, Chase volunteers in an animal shelter after school, feeding and playing with cats. Part A says, if he can make 5 servings of cat food from 1/3 of a kilogram of food, how much does 1 serving weigh? Okay, so let's write our target sentence for that. And the target sentence reads, 1 serving weighs blank kilograms. So I know that I'm going to have 1/3 of a kilogram of food, and he makes 5 servings, so I'm dividing that by 5. And I'm going to do the tape diagram. I really like the tape diagrams for these. And this is going to represent 1/3, so the whole thing would kind of look like that. And I'm dividing it by 5, so let me do that there. Okay, and I'm looking at one of these units right here. So how much is that unit right there? Well, out of the whole thing, I have 15 units, so that would be 1 out of the 15, and so the correct answer would be 1/15. So old-fashioned math taught us when we're dividing, it's really same as multiplying the reciprocal, and so we can do that now. But drawing the tape diagram gives the students a solid understanding of why we're doing that. So I have 1/3 times 1/5 is 1/15. When I did drew my tape diagram out, I also got 1/15. So part B says, if Chase wants to give the same serving size to each of 20 cats, how many kilograms of food will he need? So let's write our target sentence for that. And that reads, he will need blank kilograms of food. So now he has 20 cats. He's multiplying that by 1/15 of a kilogram to find how much food he's going to need. So that's 20 times 1/15, which is 20/15. And this is same as 4 times 5 over 3 times 5. And this can be simplified to 1, so it's 4/3, and that is equal to a mixed number of 1 and 1/3. So he will need 1 and 1/3 kilograms of food. Okay, the next problem we're going to do is question number 3 from the homework, and it says, Miss Geronimo has a $10 gift certificate to her local bakery. And we're going to do part A for this, and it says, if she buys a slice of pie for $2.20 and uses the rest of the gift certificate to buy chocolate macaroons that cost 60 cents each, how many macaroons can Miss Geronimo buy? So let's start out with a target sentence. And I wrote, Miss G can buy blank macaroons, so Miss Geronimo can buy blank macaroons. Okay, so she has a gift certificate that's worth $10. And she buys a slice of pie for $2.20, so that needs to come off of the $10 gift card. So we're actually subtracting. So $10 minus $2.20 is going to be $7.80. So now we have $7.80. And we're going to divide that by 60 cents. Okay? And there's a few different ways we can do this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the standard algorithm. So we did the thought bubble before, and we did 780 over 60 cents, and I'm going to multiply that by 100 over 100 to have, oops, actually I don't need to do by 100, I can just do it by 10. So that would give me 78 divided by 6. And we can do that this way. And the answer is it's 13. So Miss G can buy 13 chocolate macaroons with the remaining amount of money.